Okay, Unit 22. Unit 22. In, out. Room, blackboard. Books, learning, learning. Where, where. What do you see in the picture? So let's come to the picture. Now in the picture you can see that there's someone outside the room and there's someone in the room. The one in the room is sitting on a chair and is reading a book. There's a blackboard here and there's also a shelf where books are packed in. Okay, so the books are packed on the shelf there nicely. So this is the passage that we are going to read. Okay, let's come to the main passage. This room is big. There is a blackboard in the room. There are books in the room. Amma is in the room. She is learning in the room. Kofi is not in the room. Kofi is not in the room. He is out of the room. What is Amma doing? So what Amma is doing, she is, then you put your answer in the comment section below. Where is Amma? Where is she? She is not out of the room. She is in the room. So she is ... Then you put your answer in the comment section below. This is the page 22 of the English Graded English Reader.